What's going on? What's going on? We're gonna start in a minute. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you are in the world. What's going on? My name is Sir Hans Felix, guys. Thank you for the love. I see Liquidity Hunter. We see Bradbury FX already here. Warren Buffett here. John the Trader. What's up? What's up, Paul? Tony Gold. What's good? What's good? What's good? Let's get straight into it. This live stream is brought to you by Fortunes Funding. Make sure you guys subscribe and like, share, and let's get into it. Man, so let's get right into it. Oh, this it's not been rough. It's not been easy, man. It's not been easy. I've looked at certain setups that looked the part but did not play out. Some of my people already know what I'm talking about. I was taking a sell on GU, and I thought perhaps price was gonna keep selling, and the next candle literally around news time changed the whole entire setup. And I'm brushing my teeth. I'm looking at the 8:30 candle. The 8:30 candle just breezed past me. So before I even get into any trades, let me show you guys what that setup had looked like. This is why I love taking screenshots. I love taking screenshots, bro, because one thing about trading, bro, like, you could see one thing, and if the market is not willing to give it, next thing you know, it changed the whole entire setup, so let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So I take a trade for GU, right? I also took a trade on AU, which pretty much looked like the typical setup that I go for. Breaker structure, pull back, we see breaker block, we see prices rejecting, 3 hours since that. Everything looks freaking good, right? Boom. 7:18 a.m. Breaker structure, pullback, 8:19 a.m. That looks like a regular retracement and a mitigation that's going to continue to redistribute. 8:31 grits. So this is why I like taking screenshots, because nobody would believe you. Everybody's gonna tell you what they saw. They're gonna tell you what you should have done. But if you wasn't really looking at the market at the time, at the present moment of what was going on, like you're always gonna see why. You're always going to be like, why did this person take this trade? And I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys can relate. Can y'all relate? Okay. So, the same setup was pretty much what I saw for Euro USD. I see somebody's asking about Euro USD. Uh, I mean, I don't want to sound hypocritical, but I thought I saw a sell, but yeah, it's a buy now. It's a buy now. Like this shit is crazy, bro. Okay, so a lot of my trades this week went from profitable to me holding on to them, expecting my buys to play out, came back and clapped me. So that's pretty much how my week's been going. And it's crazy. I look today and it's Thursday. It was just Thursday, like yesterday, last week, yesterday. Like it's time is starting to really be on some crazy warps. Somebody said I'm in buys on GBP Cat, 60 pips up. Good shit, bro. Congratulations to you. I'm not having none of those wins today. So, since price is not actually selling, we can clearly see now that it's bullish. So it's either we gonna wait for retracement to get in. Gold is already turning up. So it is about 15 minutes till 9:30, which is market open for U.S. equities. So we can definitely pull a fib from this broken structure. Could have sworn I clicked. Man said I'm still waiting on the sell on GU and EU. Shit, I was in that sell, bro. I'll tell you how it went. Not so good. Not so good, bro. So yeah, it's you remember last Thursday where we took these imbalances have been pretty annoying. I'm not gonna lie. Like Thursday, we took buys on live. They came back, lost volume. Okay, no problem. Boom. Monday, price makes it all the way into this imbalance. Okay, we got to buy, right? But we see price on Tuesday, instead of breaking even further, they pulled back. And while you're looking at the 1 hour candle here, this is as much as the imbalance candle that they respected. So we got 2 a.m. here. I really thought we was just going to pull back even deeper, just like we freaking did last week. So there's a lot of reasons why sometimes your trades don't play out. You're going by what you see, you know? Even if they say trade what you see, not what you think. What you see is really synonymous to your risk, your anticipation, and how the market wants to play it out. So it's not always rocket science. Can you hold for the week? What do you mean can I hold for the week? I can't advise anything at this point. Trades will come back and slap you. You hold on to them and they're like, why did you do that? You know? Just gotta choose whatever style fits you at this point in time. I've been trying to hold trades and they all have came back and be like, you should have scalped. I'm not really a scalper. Like my mentality doesn't fit around scalping all the time. But it is what it is. Like, for example, you see a trade like this. It is 917. You see how this looks, right? Y'all see how this looks. You might be expecting a sell off, but you don't even know. You don't even know. Like, unless price breaks it and retests, that's the only time I would probably trust this setup also, because that's what's been happening. You see a break, retest, and then somehow the demand gets respected and turns into a full on buy. So like, we literally got to be careful. Literally got to be careful. So, and sometimes you're like, yeah, this is definitely a break in, break of structure and retracement. And you're like, okay, we're keeping it funky. We're keeping it here. And price just melts and melts and melts and melts. So what can you do? You just put your stop loss and be okay with the risk. That's the best way to go about it. So Bradbury says most people trade what they analyze even if the market changes. That statement is definitely interesting, because you have to trade what you analyze, but you also have to be okay with the changes. Sometimes if you're not okay with the changes, that's when it gets crazy. Like, I'll be okay with the changes. I might not agree, but who cares? I don't make the rules. Like, it sucks. You're like, bro, like, I thought this setup was bearish, and then now they changed to bullish, and you're like, oh, okay. Well, guess I gotta deal with that. All right, I want to shout out Romaine FX. He is my number one contender for today's giveaway. There will be others, relax, but he has shown the most love this week. That brother wakes up Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Sunday, Saturday, morning, night, evening, dawn, dusk, midnight, 1 a.m., London session, New York, Asia. And he's reposting content. So shout out to Romaine FX, who I'm not sure if he's here, but he definitely is one of our giveaway winners. Congratulations to him. Congratulations to him. Yep. All right, let's go ahead and continue. So before the 9:30 open, price is retracing here. Let's pay attention very closely to these people, because golly. Typically, a setup like this, I would hold. Who's texting me? Going on do not disturb ASAP. Alrighty. All right, let me check some of my accounts here, because I actually don't know what to trade just yet. So I was in AUD USD. Oh boy, I'm not in the mood to trade today, guys. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Too many setups that I trust come back and bite me. So I'm definitely on speculative mode. So if you guys want to get out to the live or whatever, you feel free to do so. I'm definitely gonna be speculating until I see something that I'm confident in. Like, the setups don't give me trust, even if I'm looking at something that I usually trust. You know, You're only as good as the setups that make you profitable. Once the setups start to act funny, or you trying to figure out more confluences, you got to take a quick step back and pay attention. Toxic Trade said, I was in GU, it started moving shaky, so I hopped out for a negative 40. Still better than risking a whole 1% on a shaky trade. That's a fact. That's a fact. Okay, John Trader said, check GBP JPY. All right. What do you want to see? What's your bias? What's your bias, John Trader? What's up? What's up, Mel? Uh, I don't think I can do that, bro. Go traders, lo siento. Yo no sé cómo hacer eso. Hey, what's up, Jen? You up 300 pips on gold? Sheesh. I guess I'm the only one not catching nothing, huh? My goodness. Good Lord. I'm not in any trades, guys. As I said, I'm speculating at this moment. Just looking. And it's almost 9:30, so I'm waiting to see what happens. There's been a lot of break, retest, Continue. Nah. Bye, bro. Bye, bye, bye. You almost had it, though. You almost had it. You almost had it. No, I'm tired of that. Low winds, what's up? Currency Chris, what's up? Shout out to my boy Currency Chris. Shout out to my boy Mel. Shout out to everybody with the SEAL Team 6 family watching right now, tuning in. Shout out to my people out in Port-Fils-Saint Limite, my collaborators with Port-Fils-Saint Limite, Haitian Creole Trading Academy. Shout out to my people with Markets Apprentice Academy, my own private academy and mentorship. Shout out to the Fortunes Funding family. Shout out to you out in Kenya, Nigeria, South Africa, China. Shout out to everybody, man. Shout out to you. Let me know where you guys are tuning in from. Shout out to Australia. Shout out to Canada. Yeah. The 666. We got Vic up in this thing. What's up, Vic? What's up? 928. Come on, don't do that, Vic. Netherlands. Shout out to Netherlands. Karina. All right. So, a nice pullback it seems. I would ideally put my stop loss right here behind the 88%. It almost seems like we're looking at a lower time frame breaker block. And price is pretty much filling the imbalance. Whoa. Price is pretty much filling the imbalance on this candle here. So, this does look like a nice trade. Let me see. Wild to me that AU is selling, but whatever. Everybody's doing their own thing, bro. All right, so it is 9:30 Eastern time. I'm gonna go for a 1-to-1. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? Okay. 1-to-1 buys on US 30. I'm not trading this one yet. Speculating this one. Okay, so all right. I'm interested in these buys for US 30. I'm gonna get in now. I'm going for these highs right here. London highs. Seven. Okay, yep. My target is London highs. My low is right below this low right here, 34,860. 34,860, aka 901 on Think Markets. So my TP for myself is 987. So we're going for just a quick 1-to-1. Ain't got time for nothing else, man. These shenanigans are starting to piss me off. If you want to scalp, then we gonna scalp market. I play what you play, fam. No problem. Okay, so yep, pretty damn good. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, let me check the chat real quick. Yeah, we drink water over here, man. GBP USD. Let's see what's going on with GU. I'm also in GU. Think I'm gonna switch my style back to just 1-to-ones only, because at this point I'm losing more trades that I should have, all because like I'm holding on to positions. So all right, let's do what we do. 1-to-ones it is. Okay, so currently US 30 is moving into that same area that we are anticipating for now. And as price starts to get closer into this region, I will be moving my stop loss into profit, and I will be closing partials at 70%. When the market starts to like deviate too much on me, then I usually switch up to just like a 1-to-one strategy, just so I can break back even. Because it makes no sense all these losses that I'm taking when I was actually in profit, you know. But the only problem is, oh, I had more expectations for the setup, and then the setup is like, wow, you have more value. You see me for more than I'm worth. Worst thing I want to do is see a pair for more than it's worth. All right. Let's see what happens next. If the stop loss gets hit, then it gets hit. I don't have time for the over anticipation. Do what you gotta do. I'm not sure if I told you guys this, but I'm also just targeting this short-term high right here. 1-to-ones only. Pradwal. Is that how you say that? Pradwal? Pradwal. All right. Who's in these trades? Who's in US 30? Ah, Mikael. Yo, I'm eating your Morrison Hall favorites, bro. Oh, wow. 3 oranges came out? Funny. Do I use fibs? Yeah, fam. Of course I use fibs, bro. Y'all want some? And it's share size, too. Alright. Whoever guesses the color that's in my hand gets to win the free 25K challenge. Whoever can guess which color's in my hand. Oh, Bradbury, you out. Oh, Vic, you out. You out. Toxic Trade, you out. Trading Zen, you out. Currency, Chris, you won. Black. This brother clearly don't know. Skittles don't have no. Damn. Skittles don't got no black Skittles. What the hell? Ah. Oh, hell no. Like they don't know there's such a thing as blackberry. I'm finna call Skittles after that. I'm mad now. It's outrageous. Can't believe it. Outraged. Congratulations to my boy Currency Chris. This was not a setup. Brother's just a good, probably probability guesser. It's crazy. All right, so US 30 is moving. I can't believe Chris, his lucky ass, won a 25K account off some Skittles. I can't believe this, boy. Can't make this up. Currency Chris wants some. We're going to take this back to the chat. Me can't believe this. Me cannot believe this. Vic, that's what you get. I guess the 6 is better than No, I'm just kidding. That's crazy, bro. Shout out to Currency Chris, yo. All right, so what GU doing? GU is holding it down. Can't believe this too. Fuck, bro. Gold is taken off. So, who is in GU or US 30 with me? Who's in there? Yeah, Michael, you done got way too many giveaways anyway. The drive through. Yeah, man. The drive through. You lost signal. I cannot believe this. This. Yo. Takes the rainbow. All right, enough. That's why I don't be looking at the SEAL Team 6 chat. Y'all hell, man. Y'all hell. All right, let me start. As I said. Oh damn, TP hit. Oh, my TP just got hit off US 30. Let's go. Like 561 Renzo. I'm him. I'm him. I'm him. I'm not really that happy, guys. Some serious losses were taken from GU, bro. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. Anyways, GU, hey, let's get it. Hey, we going for two. We going 2 for 2 today? Okay. It's 5 in the morning. This keeps getting funnier and funnier and funnier. Currency Chris don't even like the red ones. Ain't that, bro? They your favorites now. They your favorites now. It's crazy because like I thought people was gonna say green because of the hoodie I'm wearing, but clearly. Any correlations between gold and US 30? I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. Sometimes when all equities markets are moving, TP hit. Let's go. All right, who's in that buy? Whose TP just got hit? Remember, you see what I was saying, guys? Like that demand was so slept on, but it actually played out. Okay, so they taking out London highs. I'm sure there's going to be a retracement from this. And so is, but yeah, gold's correlation with US 30 is just when it's like the central banks, right? They have like a lineup. These institutions, no, not the central bank, the institutions, because the central bank's only role is just to pump, inject money when it's like the federal funds rate, when there's like non-farm payroll sometimes. But for the most part, the institutions have a lineup. Like it's like they have a parlay play of which major entities or equities that they want to use. So that's why you see GBP USD, Euro USD, AUD USD. They typically move similarly, right? And then gold sometimes moves similarly to the equities markets until there's something going on like war. Then all of a sudden, more participants, more institutions invest in gold because of the nuance of, oh, it's wartime. Let's inject a whole lot of money in gold. A lot of investors come in and they pour money in gold. But US 30 is just thriving off of two things: the equities markets performance, the index reflection of the top 30 performing companies. But at the same time, like, again, investors and just different institutions just pumping money into these markets for different reasons. So it's not always this correlation. It's really sometimes about just how the play is, like where the money's at, where the institutions are pumping money into. Sometimes they have the whole entire lineup for these five markets because they are the most popular. That's what they call them, major pairs, you know. Yeah, so I hope that pretty much breaks it down, bro. That's why sometimes I don't really go off correlations. Like if I'm trading GU and AU or EU, obviously I'm going to like see I know they're very similar, but for gold, I'm gonna go off of like the setup, you know. Good lord, where was that energy like Tuesday, dog? Mm. Is there a site? I'm not gonna lie to you, Toxic Trades. What I just said is just like an overall breakdown of so many things that was either read, learned. It's not a specific website, but you could Google. Just take your time and just fall in love with Googling the shit out of what you want to learn, you know? Go to YouTube. There be some nice shorts. Be like, just start off with why does this, or how does this, or when does this, like, and then just let this research go wild. Like, it, Investopedia is a good one. Uh, yeah, like, don't be afraid into just searching, finding some YouTube videos. Take your time out to watch. If you're taking a poop, it'll be like, instead of just scrolling, just, hey, let me watch something here. You about to go to sleep, pull up your phone, watch something to learn about, There are some books, though, that does help with these types of information. One of them is, honestly, if somebody wants to start out trading and learning, you really should take a class or something, because some of y'all be really clueless, and that's kind of interesting. Like you get to, it's just like when somebody's an economics teacher but never owned any, like a business one-on-one teacher but never owned a business. So they know the definitions, they know how to give you tests, but if you were to put them in a straight up like business arena where they have to actually manage a business, they might not perform well. So I think that's the case with many people who like jump into trading, but they have no idea what they're in. Like, they don't know why news does this. They don't read. They don't go on Forex Factory just to do this. Click. Why do traders care? Why traders care? Okay. Although it's generally viewed as lagging indicator, number of unemployed people is an important signal of overall economic health. Like, these reading is essential. I'm not coming at anybody. I'm just saying a lot of reasons why I know is because I read. Especially like I love how Forex Factory is like why traders care. You can't miss it. It's like, wait, I'm a trader. I guess I should care. you know? So, when's the next release? How often does it get released? It's all there. It's all there. You know? You go back in time. Okay, let's see how the market reacted when this number came out. When that number came out, fall in love. Fall in love with the information. You will not feel like your time. It will never be unimportant. Like it will never not come in handy. You know? So I don't like how GU is just having such a difficulty going up. What's going on? I used to like I used to be okay with that, but given the way this week's been going, I'm closing my trades. You having a hard time? That's okay. I'm just gonna close my trades. Just gonna close my trades, bro. I got time for you, bro. All right. Yeah, that's a 2 for 2 for me. What about you guys? How we doing? Ooh, you and some GJ sells. I think John Trader asked about GJ, but I asked him how he feel about it. He didn't say nothing. So look at me trying to click on the rectangle, and Trading View is taking their sweet time. Sheesh. Yeah, I saw the sells, but all this imbalance nowadays, man, I can't even trust, bro. Not even gonna hold you. Yes, sir. Nice, nice, nice. 167. You said 167, Chris? You're swing trading GJ until 167? May 10th demand, bro? Tell me that's not what you're saying. 167. No, no, you meant 187. You had to. Yeah, it's 187. Typo. Has to be. Yeah, it's 187. That's what he meant. Yeah. Yep. I thought so. Yep. I don't see nothing wrong with that, bro. I don't see nothing wrong. Okay. So, how many of you guys profited off of today's live? I ain't gonna lie, I'm not even gonna stay here for long. I still feel salty about GU smacking me like it did, bro. No cap. Shit does not sit well with me. I do like pulling up or showing up on a live trading session on live stream after you just took some losses is not easy. Showing up on the charts after several losses is not easy. Putting on a positive attitude just to help your community is not easy. Showing transparency and showing your losses to your community to show them that you too are not perfect. You too are capable of taking losses or misreading the markets. Is not easy. Trading is not easy. Um, but I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of every moment even if it pains, even if it burns, even if it hurts, even if it feels uncomfortable, just the fact that I'm choosing to not cancel a live stream because I don't feel I feel annoyed at the market, or it takes a lot of balls, guys. And so if you're still in this journey and you still showing up, pat yourself on the back right now. Dap yourself up. You know? Put your chin up. All right? Because shit is not easy. Shit is not easy, bro. Spitting game out of nowhere. I tend to do that. I do tend to do that. Not because, like, yo, I feel it, bro. Like, you know, I've been an educator for a long time. I've had to, I've had to uplift spirits when I'm going through my own shit. I've had to, I've spoken to people who have stepped on stage to be a motivational speaker when they had no motivation 2 minutes before they walked to the stage. You know, some people have literally gave their best speech and then committed suicide right after. Some people have told their people they loved them and they gave them no signs of what they're about to do next. Humans can really put up a good front. And so when I actually choose to open up to you guys and let y'all know, like, yo, pat yourselves on the back, and I encourage you because I don't know who's in your corner. Damn near nobody else might be in your corner at this point in your trading, right? You probably don't even know how to tell somebody, hey, man, I just took my biggest loss today. And you're just showing up on this live right now, just listening and watching me from wherever you are in the world. And this is resonating with you. Tears might be falling down your eyes right now, like, because this was for you. And that's why sometimes randomly I get this impulse to say something, because if I hold it back, that could be the blessing that I was meant to give today in this very moment. So I embrace these things, man. Like, I know I see some traders say, oh, yeah, trading's easy. Lies. The lies. Stop the cap. Stop it. It's not easy. See, I just closed my GU trades. I've been taking so many damn L's that I did not want to hold nothing, because I be trying to hold things sometimes. And, yo, it's just messing me up. I'm like, bro. And then next thing you know, you look, it's Thursday. And then tomorrow's Friday. And then again, you got to start another week. And then the year is almost done. It's like, sheesh, man. You know? So, I'm doing great, Anwar. I appreciate you, Toxic Trades. You're going to turn from Toxic Trades to Abundance Trades. You will change this name today, bro. Enough. If it's not trademark, change it to Abundance Trades, bro. Enough with the toxicity, bro. Change it, change it, change it, change it. Everybody, tell Toxic Trades to change to Abundance Trades. I will give you a 25K giveaway today if you change your trade, your name to Abundance Trades. Do it right now, bro. I'll put that on everything. Man says bad. You gonna pull up like, new name, who this? George Pat, what's up? Muslim man, what's good? I gotta put out positivity in the world. I see what's going on, yo. I see what's going on everywhere. Like, I got WhatsApp groups. I got friends and people telling me what's going on in certain areas of the world, and like their families are getting hit with bombs, and then you gotta wake up and trade. Sometimes you're thinking about those pairs, and it has some meaning to you because the war is why gold is pumping. Like, we're literally trading because of things that are going on that we might not align with. Like, it's already enough negativity in the world. If you ain't never shook your hand like this when you about to eat some Skittles, you ain't from my time. You ain't from my side of town. You gotta shake them joints. It hit different. Hey, we lit. History was made today. Toxic trades went from toxic trades and got baptized and converted to abundance trades. Let's go. Man, put some fire on the chat for my boy. Let's go. They go trading Zane with the pineapple Skittles. Got me thinking. It will hit. But trading Zane, we need to have black Skittles too. You know? Like Blackberry. Let me check AU. AUDUSD. You see, that's that stuff, man. There we go again. The whole correlation thing. AU is not bullish. GU bullish right now. These Skittles hitting. EU bullish right now. So that's why, like, sometimes, man, you just gotta be careful. Wow. I'm a man of my words. Abundance trades from FF. You, sir, have won a 25K giveaway. So, Romaine FX, Currency Chris, and Abundance Trades. You, formerly known as Toxic Trades, you guys are today's champions. So let me write it down here so y'all can screenshot. Get ready. Currency Chris, Abundance FX. Yo, John traded, chill, bro. Romaine FX are today's giveaway. 25K giveaway challenge. Winners. Congratulations. Sir Hans Felix. Might as well stamp the date. Today's the 16th, 2023. Ay, coño. Okay. Okay, what a great day. We had GU played out very well. US 30 played out very well. So go show me some love, man. Go show me some love on the general, not the general chat, the market discussion chat. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna be like, "Yer, drop them profits." I'm sad, bro. Them GU trades I thought was gonna hit. Okay, TP hit on that. TP hit on GU. Ugh. I mean, thank God I know different setups, because it took everything in me to actually put in these trades. But again, like 0.5%. All right, 1-to-1s is gonna have to be. All right, flood the market discussion on the Discord, man. Let's go. Let me see you. Let me see you. Let me see you. If you are on the Discord right now for Forex, yeah, damn it, there's so many names. Fortunes Funding. You know how we coming. You know how we coming. Congratulations to Currency Chris, Abundance FX, Romaine FX. Today's giveaway winners for 25K, man. Oh yeah, we not done. We not done. We got some trades today. Yes, sir. Shout out to GU. TP hit, bitch. Shout out to US 30. TP hit. Now prices just literally taking out London's liquidity and reversing a little bit, probably just retracing, whatever the case is. But hey, it don't matter. It's none of our business. The TP just got hit. Man, look at the market discussion chat. We out here. We out here. Shout out to Matthew Razik. Yeah. Matthew Razik. My bad. Mukesh, shout out to you. Shout out to you, man. Show me some more. Show me some more. Drop them. Drop them. Drop them. Drop these profits. Drop them. Let's go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ay, ay, ay. Live. We live. We live. We live. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, we live with it. Yes, sir. Let's so shit. Damn. Good stuff, guys. Good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah, Romaine. Congratulations, man. You the man of the hour. You are one of our winners for showing so much love this week. I appreciate it. I saw it morning, evening, night. I saw all the posts that you did. So reach out to Fortunes Funding support on the website. Let them know this is how you guys do it. And then also be on the lookout for our current promotions. So this is what y'all gonna do. When you have won, you reach out to support, let them know you won. And I know it's gonna be a couple of you guys who try it, but sorry, it's not gonna work for you. Okay, so people who have won, that's why I take the screenshot and they will have to show proof. So make sure you reach out to me. Everybody who has won today, make sure you reach out to me so I can confirm. And so when they ask you to confirm, it'll be easy. All right. Congratulations, everybody who participated today, who showed love, who, made today's live very interesting. Very interesting. Be careful trading, man. Be careful with these damn false setups. But wow, GU finally picked up some steam. Antonio. I just gotta find something. All right. All right. I had fun today. Oh man, I appreciate you for posting this. Who posted this? Damn, there's a lot of pictures. Mukesh, I appreciate you posting this, bro. Yeah, man, that Euro USD got you too, huh? Man, yeah, bro, it's tough out here, man. It's tough out here. And that setup can't nobody tell me. I know what I saw. I know what I saw, bro. Like 8:30 comes, bam. Like I should have known. I really should have known to not be in the trades before 8:30. I mean, I should have gotten out, but that wasn't the plan. Like I'm not even gonna stress myself saying that. Oh, I should have closed out before news. That wasn't the plan. I thought news was gonna carry it to the downside, and then by 9:30 reverse it back up. Clot. I need a little 5 minute break. I'm glad you guys won. I'm glad I won some of my trades, but the most that I wanted to really capitalize on was this other account, but it is what it is. Anyway, yo, I'm glad you did what you did, Romaine. Shout out to you, bro. Shout out to you. Um, What did you enjoy most from today's stream? Shout out to my boy Emmett. He did this poll questioning thing. It was like, oh yeah, that's dope. I want to go, but I also want to stay. Oh man, I low key wanted to take the counter trade too on some savage stuff, but yeah, I low key was finna take the counter trade sub, but I was like, let me chill, let me chill. Yo, why does TradingView do this now, bro? Clicking on something taking forever. So you know what? Next time my mind tells me to take the counter trade sell after price sweeps London, I'm just gonna have to come up with a 35-point risk system, and then I'm gonna go for a 70-point TP. That's gonna be a 1 or 2, and that'll take away the fear of taking a trade right after the win. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do next time. Should Hans stay here? Should Hans go? Shout out to you, Vic. John Trader. I will add you to my list. You have been very noticeable today as well. But I've given 3 giveaways. I think that's pretty okay for today. Shake out of it, Hans. Shake out of it. It only takes one good trade next time. It only takes one good trade for next time, bro. The 15-minute breaker block never fails. 32. 11 pip stop loss was my stop loss, but I didn't hold. But sheesh, that's beautiful. At least this setup has not failed me yet. Thank God. That's why you guys should always study different setups that you know. Because, like, not going to hold you. Had it not been for this GU breaker block that I saw, like, I was not going to call the trade. I went from, I'm going to speculate to, shooters shoot. Shooters shoot. Are we going to just feel encumbered by the previous losses, or are we going to show ourselves who we are today? Are we still going to push past fear? Are we still going to feel the fear and do it anyway? Are we still going to just let fear win today? Me and fear, who's bigger? Who's bigger? That's why you got to set your mind in preparation of obstacles, because have I not been who I was? Man. And look, let me tell y'all something. It takes a lot of confidence to do live streams and actually like be transparent, be in your moment of wins and losses, and you can see like the transitions. You can see the trades that play out. You can see the decisions that get made. Because, a lot of people market trading, but marketing and actual trading are not the same things, because you can market a good facade. Think about it. How many times do you hear companies showing their balance sheets of the losses of products, and just overall losses of company investments, supplies, uh, manufacturing problems, or the boat sank, or the food went bad, the container blew up. Like, every business have losses, but marketing the company, there are some what's the word? There are some discretions that every company or every individual use to their favor so that they don't look all the way bad. But when it comes to trading, some people, well, not some people, it is very important for us to show a bit more transparency from time to time, even though it's not easy, right? Just so people can see the real you, so they can, for 1 second, snap into realizing that, well, yeah, I mean, just like anything in life, a good movie came with bloopers. A great movie came with deleted scenes that didn't make it. The end result, the finished product, is always a great movie. But it's not like there weren't so many takes. Cut. That wasn't good. Let's do it again. 27 takes. Cut. Selfies. Your best selfie is the one that makes it to social media, to your Facebook or your Instagram, your TikTok, or your whatever. So why is it that people have a hard time understanding that everybody take losses? Even if they don't post it, it's because they're making sure that their image is being kept on I don't know. But if you take losses, then so does that person. And if you see them have a big day, know that they've had to endure big losses too. Okay? So don't ever forget that. Don't ever forget that. So, like, you could see me entertaining y'all, having a great time. You expect good vibes because you need that in your life. You want to feel entertained, but the entertainer has to have some form of preparation, or the educator, the mentor, the motivator has to go through phases of motivating self, mentoring self, pouring into self. Or else, soon as the cameras turn off, the person literally might just go back and squeeze into like, so that's why I'm always pouring into myself, because like when the cameras are off, when we're done trading, like, how am I feeling? How am I? Like, how do I handle myself? So this is a message to anybody who has to put themselves in a position where they have to lead and show a good face. Even in your personal life, when people ask you if you're okay, most of us choose to say, yeah, I'm good. I'm fine. I'm great. I'm all right. You're not all right. And that's why when people go through their depression, a lot of parents, close family members are like, I didn't think or see that they were depressed. Because you go, yeah, I'm good. Yeah, oh, man, never better, bro. We chilling. Nah, they putting up a front. So be careful and be mindful of the people around you. All right? Be mindful of the people around you. Trading, you guys are traders but have no idea that this space is a professional space where if you're trading for a firm, there are like on-site performance coaches and psychology and coaches and counselors to help people mentally. y'all take so many losses, and you come from like different backgrounds of, you know, humble beginnings, you know, situations that like you thought trading would change your life altogether, and you still in your journey, and you keep all this energy and emotion bottled up inside, and you don't even know how to tell somebody. And I feel for many of you, because I know, like, even if you are a part of a whole bunch of trading chats, the real inner work is not being done. Some people are legit on their last like challenge. They don't even feel like they have enough strength to pay for another one because they keep blowing it for whatever reason. So, you know, I just want to take these moments when I'm doing live sessions just to talk to y'all, really, you know, um, because that's who I am. Like last week, I had this whole argument with this one dude when he tried to put out signals in other people's groups. And then he was also like posting the signals in my group. I didn't mind because why? I don't care because I know people in my group have this standard where they don't really want to take nobody's trades but their own. And then he went in like when I told him why I think what happened when he got kicked out of the other group was the reason why. So I was like, yo, typically, it's not. It doesn't. People don't look it as a good thing when they see some in certain groups that you're posting signals, because if other people take it, they're liable to lose, and when they lose, they usually blame the owner of the group. So I'm like, you gotta be mindful, and sometimes it's like people have gotten sued because it's like, oh yeah, so and so's group, I took a signal and like I blew my account. And I've been there where like people have taken certain trades and they took the responsibility to take the trade, and then it didn't go so well, and they're like, yo bro, like this, that, and the third. So I'm looking out for the person, trying to teach him the game, since it seems like he wants to help. But the thing about people wanting to help is they don't realize that somebody's gonna take the accountability when there are losses. Are you ready for that? Because that's what makes a leader. Like, are you ready to take accountability? He didn't see it from my light at all. He said, oh, bro, that's cold, man. I see where this is going. So he starts to try and like strike my character, talking about, you rich traders have this ego like I never believe. And I'm like, yo, bro, I literally came from therapy. Mind you, after the accident, now I have to go to therapy every day just to, get better and whatnot. And I chose to respond to this person in a voice note. And I'm like, bro, I notice every time people are reaching out to you about something, you take it the wrong way. Like, you take it personal. You have this victimized mindset. Like, that's not how things work. And if you're going to call out signals in people's group, take accountability and ask, hey, bro, is that okay? But this world does not have logical thinkers. And they'd rather just get offended before they think when somebody teaching them the game and telling you something out of love and respect. So that's why, like, when I keep it real with y'all on these chats, I want y'all to know, at the end of the day, I have nothing but love and respect, because I've been in this game long enough. Um, Ego doesn't really live here in the trading space. It's all about being one with self. It's all about killing the ego. And it's tough because that's what we think we are. We are made out of everything we believe about our personality is like something that has to do with the ego. So when it comes to trading, we have to try so hard to just be one. One with our emotions, one with our discipline, and all of that. So I just hope that you guys learn a lot every time I'm live, because you couldn't really pay me for a session like this. The community is not made of professional, stable income people. It's like the generation, the younger the generation, the more desperate most traders are to trade. And that's not what this space is about, you know? So just take advantage of the gems when it's given to you. But with that being said, guys, peace, love, and blessings. Thank you for tuning in. I will see you next time.